I'm a single mom who's been testing out my green thumb to teach my daughter healthy habits. I started planting greens all over my yard, but I need to reorganize a few of the spaces. How do I decide what to keep and what to get rid of to fix my landscaping?
Hi, Lindsay. You're not alone in your struggle to decide what to keep and what to get rid of in your garden. Ask yourself if a plant is providing what you hoped it would in its current space. Does it provide flowers early in the season or brighten up a shady corner? If not, is there another place it can work in the garden? As you plan your landscape and garden, think of trees and shrubs and perennials as investments that appreciate over time. And take the time and care to plant new ones using a rich soil like Miracle-Gro organic raised bed and garden soil to ensure success. I don't throw away any plants if I don't have to. I will move them, I will protect them, I will give them away. It's a nice way to share what you have grown in your garden with others. Gardening is full of wonderful lessons to share with generations to come. Thanks, Lindsay, for your question.